Good morning, GCMS. I'm going to try to go over a lesson we had done some time ago, but it's on the coordinate plane, and that's where the two lines that are perpendicular meet. And I'm going to go over some vocabulary words first, and then we'll go from there. We'll plot just a couple of points, and hopefully that'll help remind you where at in the grid they go. I do have easy points to plot, but I'm going to try to help remember you, and hopefully you can see this. So this is a coordinate plane, and if you remember this, the horizontal line is the X line, and forgive me, I'm sort of writing backwards. That's the X line, and then the vertical line, the one that goes up and down, is the Y axis. So the X axis is horizontal, the Y axis is vertical. The coordinate, the quadrants, remember, they go, not sort of, but they actually go counterclockwise. So we start here in this quadrant, and it's quadrant 1. This is quadrant 2. This is quadrant 3, and I probably realize I shouldn't have done that, but anyway, and this is quadrant 4. And I'm just going to plot right here in quadrant 1 for today, just so we can get a feel of, and really I wanted to go over the vocabulary again and the actual quadrants, and then I was going to plot a few points. Now it's going to be kind of difficult, but I'm going to try to work with this. My first point is A, and if you can see this, these are called my ordered pairs as well. So the first number in my ordered pair is always X, and the second number is Y. So that's how I know which direction to go to plot this point. So on the X line, I go over 1, and on the Y, I go up 7. So I plot this point, and this is point A. Okay, and then the next point is point B. So my ordered pair, which is what the X and Y are called, is 4, 3. So I'll go over 4 and up 3. And I'm going to plot right about here. And this is point B. And I'm going to plot one more point, C. So it's 2, 0. So that means I go over to the right 2, but I go up none because my on my Y line is 0. So we're going to go over 2 and up 0. So this is going to be point C. Okay, so hopefully, like I said, I wanted to especially go over the verbs, the terminology again. So this entire thing is a coordinate plane. The lines, the perpendicular lines, this is called the x-axis. It goes horizontally. And the y-axis goes vertically, up and down. And then, of course, the quadrants, first quadrant, second, third, and fourth quadrant. And again, they go counterclockwise. And then the x-coordinate that is labeled here and the y-coordinate, and they're separated with a comma, that's called an ordered pair. So hopefully, like I said, that's just a quick refresher on that, and maybe next time I will try to plot points in the other quadrants so you can see how that looks. Thank you, and you guys stay safe.